every time they hear a song. Here's the truth most people never learn. Attraction isn't about how you look. Words are triggers. And today, I'm giving you 8 compliments that don't sound loud, but land deep. These are not flashy lines. They are quiet, powerful, unforgettable. Let's start. First compliment. I really like the way you smell. It stays with me. This isn't about perfume. This is about memory. Smell is the fastest way into the brain. One scent can bring back a whole moment in seconds. So when you notice her scent, but the one who does, always stands out. Say it calmly. Say it once and let it sink in. Second compliment. People rarely hear that. That's why they remember it. Third compliment. I like that you're real. Real always beats perfect every time. Fourth compliment. The way you see things is different. Connection grows fast because now it's not just attraction, it's curiosity. Fifth compliment. Your energy pushes me to be better. Energy is invisible, but everyone feels it. Some people drain you, others lift you without trying. You make me grow. That's respect on a deep level, and respect lasts longer than desire. Sixth compliment. You're genuinely thoughtful. You really care. This is rare. Not loud kindness. Real kindness. Not for attention, but from the heart. And character is what builds trust. This compliment goes straight to the core. Seventh compliment. I admire how driven you are. Eighth compliment. You make people feel safe and comfortable around you. This one is special because it's about emotional intelligence, the ability to make others feel seen, not judged, not rushed. That's not learned from books. That's a gift. When you recognize this, you're saying your presence heals, and that is unforgettable. So here's the lesson. Don't talk more, talk better. Don't impress, connect. Because people may forget your face, but they will never forget how your words made them feel. And if you use your words with intention, you won't need to chase attention ever again. You'll become the moment they remember.